Hi, this is Handy here. What you just saw now is that this lawnmower stopped by itself in a few minutes. So I'm going to show you quick and easy tips. Hopefully you can try this quick and easy tip. If you have the same problem, instead of like I did, I tried different more complicated things first before I realized what was the problem. First, I replaced this filter. It didn't help. And I cleaned this carburetor, and it didn't help. And what was the problem? So the problem I find out is this gas cap supposed to have vent. What it does is sun air in and then pushing the gas out to the engine. So this cap is faulty. So instead of spending about $15 to buy a new cap, so this is an easy trick. So watch carefully. All you need to do is loosen this cap by about quarter turn. That's all you need to do. Loosen this cap by quarter turn, and then that's all the problem. Obviously, when you finish with the lawnmower, you want to tighten it back. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these tips useful.